Hello my dear kids, I hope you all are doing well. In the previous classes we have learned about addition, subtraction and multiplication. Today we are going to learn about new calculating, that is division. So today we are going to learn about division of two-digit number by one-digit number. Okay, so this is little bit easy and little more tough also. So all of you listen carefully. There are 5 steps to simple division. So today I am going to discuss these 5 steps of division. Okay, so let us see. Okay, let us take an example. 97 divided by 2. Here 97 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So step 1 is to compare the digits. We compare the leftmost digit of the dividend with the divisor. Here the leftmost digit is the digit in the tens place, that is 9. So 9 is greater than 2 and therefore we can divide 9 by 2. So step 2 is doing the division. Here as the divisor is 2, we use the table of 2's to find the products which is equal to or less than and nearest to the digit of dividend, that is 9. So the nearest product is 8. Hence we write 4 above 9. Step 3 is to multiply 4 by 2. As we know, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. We write the number 8 in the tens column under 9. Step 4 is to subtract 8 from 9, which is equal to 1. We write this 1 in the tens column. Step 5. Bringing down the next digit, that is 7. After bringing down the digit, we repeat step 1 to step 5 again. There are no more digits to bring down. So here we again compare 17 and 2. Here 17 is greater than 2, so we can divide 17 by 2. Hence, we use the tables of 2's such that the product is less than or equal to and nearest to 17. The nearest product is 16, so we write 8 above the 7. As we know, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Write the 16 under 17. Next, subtract 16 from 17, which is equal to 1. 1 in the ones column. Now, there are no more digits to bring down. So, we have finished our division. The remainder here is 1, quotient is 48 and divisor is 2. Okay, thank you.